Yo, it's your boy KC.
The bad little freako. I need a bad little freako. I need a baby who gon' listen to KCWG while she on her knees, though she wild and she deep throat. I need a baby who get nasty but classy in front of all these people. She got that beat.
Boy, OGTV, white Pree in this bitch.
Y'all already know what the fuck going on, man. It's your boy Ray Man in this bitch. You dig what I'm saying? We at FAU with it. About to do this little ass public interview, man. Before we even get started, y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel. You already know what time it is. Y'all gonna see these faces, you know what I'm saying? We going up top together.
Alright, but yeah, we at FAU right now.
We gotta start that shit over. Cut this shit.
Bro, hurry up.
What's up, man? It's your boy KCWG.
It's your boy white Pree in this bitch. You feel me?
It's your boy. It's your boy. It's your boy Ray Man in this bitch. You already know what the fuck going on, nigga. You dig what I'm saying?
Yeah!
Oh.
But you are now rocking with YBF TV. We at FAU right now, as you can see. Yeah! And we just about to go ask some females, kiss or slap. Feel me? And if I get slapped, I might just fade you.
Ain't gonna lie, I ain't getting slapped. Kwani getting slapped because he can't get no kids.
Yeah, so he's our slap man. So we get slapped, then, you know.
Kwani.
Yeah. But yeah, stay tuned.
I ain't getting slapped.
Where you getting slapped?
Stay tuned, though.
But stay tuned, man.
Hey!
We're doing a quick interview. Can I interview real quick, please?
Okay.
What's your name?
Amari,
Amari. Where you from?
Tampa.
Tampa. How old are you?
I'm 18.
18. All right. So today we're doing kiss or slap. You gotta choose one.
Gotta do a what?
Kiss or slap. You gotta choose one. Yeah, it's on the cheese. No,
Wait, this is set up.
no, it's just make it quick. You can choose one.
Kiss or slap?
What?
Yeah, you choose one.
Oh, I don't like hitting people, but I also don't like kissing random people.
Oh, why? Am I ugly?
No.
All right, so you good. It's on the cheek. Choose.
Okay.
You got 5 seconds. All right. There you go.
And today we have, what's your name? We're doing
Sorry.
a quick interview. Your name's Sorry?
Yeah.
All right, how old are you?
18.
18. All right, today's question, kiss or slap?
You?
Yeah.
Slap.
Damn. You gonna slap me? All right, go ahead.
Oh, I have to slap him?
Yeah, you got to. Come on.
I can't slap you
All right,
hard.
just, you don't got to be hard. Just. Damn. Can I interview you? All right. What's your name?
Contessa.
Contessa. All right. Today we have kiss or slap. It's on the cheek though. It ain't. Feel me? You gotta pick one. You can slap me. It's okay.
I'll pick slap.
Damn. All right. Come on. She slapped me like 4 times.
What's your name?
Sedaine.
So who?
Sedaine.
Sedaine. All right, so today we're doing kiss or slap. You gotta choose one.
What, for you?
Yeah. Not on the lips, on the cheeks. Anything. All right, that's 2.
All right. So we decided that we're gonna do a winner versus loser. So whoever loses today gotta go in the middle of a big crowd and shout that they're gay. You feel me? And right now I'm losing, and it doesn't know bad man when they put them thing they eat. So I've got to find some girls to get some kisses eat. So yeah.
Yes, hit me.
Kyler.
You said Kyler or Tyler?
Kyler.
Oh, Kyler. How old are you?
18.
All right. So today's question: kiss or slap? It's on the cheek though.
With who?
Me, of course. What the fuck?
Oh, slap.
Damn,
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
I'm losing right now. You can't give me a kiss.
Nah.
Alright, go ahead.
Oh, I gotta slap you?
Yeah, what you thought?
I don't wanna slap you. Y'all slap him.
One of y'all want to take the slap then?
That's
All right, so
me.
just give me a little kiss, cause I ain't getting no kiss.
Boy, if you don't get
Just a little peck, just a little peck.
That's all, folks.
That shit hurt.
That's all, folks.
Why would you do me like that?
Oh, Lord.
On the cheeks, on the cheeks.
All right. Do I have to choose right now?
Yeah, you gotta choose right now.
All right.
All right, that's 3. Let's go. Yeah, baby.
Damn, why Pree? What's going on, buddy?
And your name?
My name.
Yeah, your name. We're doing a quick interview.
Anthony.
Antonique. All right, Antonique. How old are you?
18.
18. All right. Quick question. Kiss or slap?
Who?
Me.
Slap.
Damn. That's like my fist slap. All right, come on. Come on.
No.
That's like my fist slap.
All right.
Damn. What's your name? What's your name?
What's your name? What's your name?
What?
My name is Beverly.
Beverly. All right, how old are you?
I'm 19.
All right, kiss or slap?
Kiss or slap?
Yeah, on the cheek. It's on the cheek.
I'm a slap.
All right, slap me. Come on. There we go. It wasn't that hard, but.
That shit hurt.
All right, what's your name?
Margaret.
Margaret, your name?
Maya.
Maya. All right, kiss or slap? What? Kiss or slap?
Slap what?
On me. Kiss or slap on the cheek.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm losing right now, so everybody slap me. So
I
I appreciate a little kiss. Make sure you get this, because it's my first kiss. All right, thank you.
Yeah, alright.
How about you?
Oh my lord.
Kiss or slap?
I slap him. If you want to. I mean, I don't want to slap because it's gonna hurt.
Nah.
What'd you say?
I mean, I don't want to slap because it's gonna hurt.
Let me fucking put a hand on me. I'ma fucking rip your face off, bitch.
All right, go ahead. That's what we need. That's what we looking for.
Here you go.
That's a kiss?
That's a kiss slap.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
All right, now we don't do kiss slap. Come on, you gotta pick one.
It's not math.
He winning. He winning. See how you look? I like how you look.
Okay. Come here.
Gotcha, bitch.
Make sure you get this too.
Come here.
Let me do what I do. Let me do what I do. Shh. What's
You cheating, ain't it?
Yeah, no, you cheated.
So now what's your name?
Alexis.
Lovely.
Sinai.
Sanai, we have
Christy.
Christy, and we have
Alexis.
Alexis. All right. Question of the day. Y'all ready? Spit or swallow?
Swallow. Swallow.
Swallow.
He winning. So
All right, so look, hey man, look. So today we're doing kiss or slap. Y'all gotta choose one, all right? On the cheeks, me. I'm right here. Choose.
Slap.
Slap.
nah, you gotta slap him. Slap him.
Whoa. All right. Let's do
Let's do this again.
Let's do this again. All right. Kiss or slap.
What about punch?
Wait a minute.
What about punch? What about punch?
Shit. Oh, fuck me.
Camilla, all right, hold up. How old are you?
How old are you?
What? What is that? Oh shit! What is that? Who you fighting?
Camilla, all right, hold up. How old are you? How old are you?
20.
20. All right, kiss or slap on the cheek. Kiss or slap.
Kiss slap? What does that mean?
Bitch, what?
What does that mean?
You stupid.
What does that mean?
These nuts.
You gotta kiss me or slap me
Slip.
on the cheek.
No, I
It's
don't
on
want
the
to
cheek.
slap you.
Damn, why you gotta slap me? I'm losing. He got 1 point. Come on, just tie it up. Come on. Just a little pet. Just a little. Don't listen to your friends. Don't listen to
I
your
can't
friends.
slap you.
All he needed one more.
I just need one more to tie it up with him. Why? With him. Why? Thank you.
Gotcha, bitch.
We're here with.
Angelic Asperilla.
Damn.
What?
All right, how old are you?
I'm 21.
All right, so the question of the day: kiss or slap?
Slap.
I'm gonna ask this again. I don't think you understand the question. Kiss or slap on the cheek?
Like me or who?
No, me. You gotta decide.
Slap.
So you gonna slap me on the cheek?
Yeah.
I'm really mad that you about to slap me.
Why?
I need to win. I need to take a lead.
You just asked me a question.
We're tied up right now with the other person, so I need to take a lead. I've been losing all day. I just kind of caught up.
Well, you gotta take the L then.
Damn.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
You gotta take the L then.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Damn, I gotta take the L, y'all boys. All right, let's go. Come on.
I don't want to hit you hard.
It don't matter. Come on, I need something harder.
No,
than that.
yeah,
I need it for
bad.
the video.
No.
Come on. Hey, you gonna play that back in slow mo? What's your name?
Samara,
Samara. How old are you?
19.
All right, quick question. Kiss or slap? On the cheek. Come on.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
All right, you gotta slap me.
Okay.
You gotta slap.
That shit hurt.
You want me to do it harder?
Yeah, you gotta do it. You gotta. Come on. You gotta cock it back and just.
I can't. I gotta make it look hard. Okay.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Did that look hard enough? It wasn't hard, but.
All right, today's question: kiss or slap?
Who?
Me, obviously. Come on.
Slap.
Oh yes. Yeah. I thought I was gonna get a kiss.
Gotcha, bitch.
I thought we was married in the last video.
Slow it down.
I'ma just
This.
smash, marry, kill. Just I don't.
You're killing me. So you're
But
killing
no
me.
hard feelings. Though.
Wow.
No hard feelings.
You married him?
Sure.
Why does he get married?
I just did it. There was no type of. You know, it's straight. Is there more?
It's because of the Louis. Is it because of the Louis Vuitton?
Yes.
That's because of the Louis Vuitton.
You sure you want to rethink?
I'm gonna have to slap you. I'm sorry.
You gonna have to slap? All right, come on.
It has to be
Hold up, make sure you get it. I don't know.
like hard.
Wait.
Okay, now I won't go too hard. Okay.
No, bitch.
She said you can't take it. It's only your bitch.
Oh.
I'm ready.
Oh! Oh!
That shit hurt.
That was the hardest today. I ain't gonna lie. I need a divorce. I need a divorce.
Yeah,
Marriage is over.
I told you to be Hispanic, bro. I'm Hispanic.
Excuse me. Hello, how you doing? We're just doing a quick little social experiment today. What's your name? Kelsey with a K? Yeah. All right, Kelsey, where you from? Jamaica. Oh, okay. So today we're doing kiss or slap. You gotta choose one.
Kiss or what?
Slap.
Slap.
Slapping me?
Like slap?
Yeah, but it's on the cheeks.
Wait, I have to do it?
Yeah.
I have to kiss you or slap?
Yeah, on the cheek. It's just on the cheek. All right, that's 4. Give me a 5. I'm winning, baby. Yeah.
Blue face, baby. Yeah, all right.
We're just doing a quick little interview. What's your name?
Tati.
Tati. Where you from?
Miami.
Miami. All right, so today we're doing kiss or slap on the cheek. You gotta pick one.
No, you gotta do it. You gotta do it. Alright, just slap me. No, you have to. You gotta wait for it. He's winning, yes.
Whoa.
It don't gotta be hard.
You
It don't gotta be hard.
choose. Just it's on the cheek.
No.
Come on. If you're gonna do it right.
Yeah.
Do it right. You from Dade, man. You from Dade. Aww.
Why not? You trying to call him a bitch?
No.
So you calling me a bitch? All right, so give me a peck then.
You wanna get slapped?
Just give me a peck then. It's just a peck.
Jay.
Jay. All right, Jay. Where you from?
Lake Worth.
All right, so today we're doing kiss or slap. You gotta choose one. On the cheeks.
On the cheeks.
Yeah. Nothing major.
Kiss.
All right, go ahead.
All right.
All right. Yeah.
It's game over.
Yeah. All right, it's your boy KC, and I am the winner. So now, with that being said, he has to go in the cafeteria and scream out that he's gay. All right? All right? Stay tuned.
Alright, so today we have
Shakari.
All right, Shakari, how old are you?
23.
All right, question of the day: kiss or slap? On the cheek. It's on the cheek.
Wait, you?
Yeah.
I have this thing that I'm doing right now where like I'm not physically interacting with people.
Bitch, what?
Thing that I'm doing right now where like I'm not physically interacting with people.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
I'm doing right now where like I'm not physically interacting with people in that manner. So I don't want to slap you though.
Nah, you
Is there,
have
like,
you
can I do like a punch or like a pinch?
A punch?
Like a pinch?
He got punched. I don't want to get punched.
No, I'm not gonna slap
No,
you.
you have to.
Like
It's
where?
okay. On my face.
No.
No, you have to. It's okay. I've been slapped all day.
Okay.
All day I've
Can I
been
just
slapped.
like tap?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Ah, you're supposed to make the video lit. What are you doing? What are you doing with your life?
Follow me.
No, we're not following you.
$50 to slap the charge.
$50? Where's the 50?
In my pocket.
No. I gotta see it.
Alright, $5.
5? No.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Ask you guys, so I gotta.
Would the answer change if I asked you?
No.
Gotcha, bitch.
He says no.
But yeah, I lost, so I gotta do the challenge now. Alright, cut that part. You might see that too.
That's all, folks.